How do power companies manage high electricity demand from data centers? Have you ever wondered how power companies keep the lights on when data centers demand so much electricity? It's a fascinating challenge that requires smart strategies and teamwork. Let's break it down. First, utilities use load flexibility strategies. This means they can ask data centers to temporarily reduce their electricity use during peak times. For instance, data centers might shift their computing tasks to other locations where demand is lower. They can also scale back on non-essential operations to help ease the load on the grid. Some data centers even have their own backup generators or battery storage systems to provide extra power when needed. These methods help keep the grid stable without needing to build new infrastructure right away. Next, power companies and data centers work together through demand response programs. These programs allow grid operators to send signals to data centers during times of high demand, like during extreme weather or when there are supply shortages. Advanced software helps data centers respond quickly, lowering their power use while still keeping essential functions running. This teamwork not only helps maintain grid reliability but also cuts down on the need for expensive fossil fuel power plants. Another important aspect is advanced load prediction and grid modernization. Utilities are using sophisticated metering and predictive analytics powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This technology helps them forecast how much power data centers will need more accurately. With better predictions, utilities can optimize how they generate and distribute power, preventing outages before they happen. To tackle infrastructure challenges, utilities are promoting distributed energy solutions. These include microgrids and long-duration energy storage systems. These technologies can store energy when it is plentiful and releases it during peak demand times. Data centers that use microgrids can operate independently during grid disturbances, which helps lessen their impact on the overall power system. Lastly, utilities are working closely with data centers to integrate renewable energy sources. By encouraging data centers to run their operations when renewable energy is abundant, they can help lower carbon emissions and make better use of the grid. In summary, power companies manage the high electricity demand from data centers through a mix of load flexibility, demand response programs, advanced forecasting, distributed energy resources, and collaboration. These strategies help keep the grid reliable, support rapid growth, and promote cleaner energy sources.